Today's featured car of the day is a 1955 Chrysler C300 convertible. I'll read from the seller's sign that he had on the windshield of the car at the auction. And the seller stated, in 1955, Chrysler C300s won Daytona. This is believed to be one of two or three C300 convertibles built for 1955 auto shows. I have a copy of the letter sent from Chrysler saying they cannot confirm this is one of those cars or if they in fact built any convertibles in 1955. It has the correct factory X-frame, only used for convertibles. The engine number falls within the parameters of being correct. And Mercury Outboard Motors sponsored NASCAR in 1955, and Mr. Kikehafer, owner of the Mercury dealership, had one, two, or three of these convertibles built, according to the seller of this car. And with documentation, this car is worth six figures plus. I brought it here to sell for a very realistic price. Great running, driving, looking car. And it bid to $35,000 and did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. As far as if they built a 300 convertible or not, I'm going to guess, judging by the price, they probably did not. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.